I will talk about how can you disable Tumblr TV tab on your Tumblr app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. What you have to do, just go down, click on this sign down here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here on your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do now, just click on account settings. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. Then you go down here, so then you click here on labs. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down and you come here to Tumblr TV tab. You just click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's mean Tumblr TV tab disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.